Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little bit like a kitchen deep clean. I am cleaning out the fridge in this video today. It was my main task. I did do kind of a quick overall kitchen clean, but I mostly focused on the refrigerator because it was really needing it. So that will be the main focus in today's video. So this was one of the worst drawers in the fridge. It's the fruit drawer, so it clearly had some staining, some fruit juice staining or something. And the fridge actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was. I know there was one part of it that I knew was going to be pretty bad, but I wasn't expecting that drawer to look like that. So I'm really glad I went ahead and took everything out and cleaned it properly. My husband was chatting with me here, so that's why I looked like that for a second. But I went ahead and did the sides. The side wasn't too bad. The other side was a little bit worse. So the top of this side was pretty bad. Something had leaked in here, and I ended up just throwing out all those packets. They were just like extra HelloFresh seasoning packets that needed to be kept in the fridge. Stuff that you get from fast food restaurants, all that kind of stuff. And I ended up just tossing everything because Honestly, I have no idea how long it's been in there, and it was all gross and leaked all over. Also, I just realized I could take these out of my fridge. I don't know why I didn't do this on the other side. It would have been way easier, but that side wasn't as bad. But I figured it out and got a really good clean on this side of the fridge, and it needed it more than the other side. I use this side for storage more than I do the other side, clearly. And here is the nice clean fridge. It was so nice to get this done. It really needed it. It looks so much better. It looks very empty right now. We needed to go food shopping clearly, but it looks so much better, and I love how organized my condiments are and all of that. I decided to clean the top of the fridge too. I feel like this is kind of a forgotten area, so I got the top nice and clean. It was very dusty and grimy up there. It was so gross, and I went ahead and cleaned everything that I keep up there, which is, I try not to keep too much up there. I just keep these little mats for Alira's table to eat off of, and my recipe books, and that's about all I try to keep up there. I had just a few dishes in the sink that I went ahead and did quickly. There wasn't too much in the sink. Sometimes when I know I have a big job like that to do, I try and keep the area as clean as possible. That way I'm not having to do as much work. So sometimes the night before I will do a good clean of like cabinets, counters, and stuff like that. And just make sure everything's put away. That way I'm just not piling on top of things. It's kind of something I've learned if I know I have a big job like cleaning out the fridge or something along those lines. So alright, and just finishing off here using my Bissell vacuum and mop. I went ahead and vacuumed in here first, and then I mopped after I vacuumed. I love this thing. It's so nice to just have one thing for all of your floor, like to vacuum your floors first and then mop. It's super helpful, especially when you have animals and you need to vacuum up the dog hair before you mop the dog hair. That way you're not just pushing dog hair all over the floor, if that makes sense. But yeah, love this thing. Totally worth it. if you can buy it at Sam's, I think that's probably the best price. If you can get it on sale during the holidays, that's what we ended up doing. So yeah, it's really nice. And here is the nice clean kitchen. It was so nice to have the big job of the fridge being done and the kitchen all nice and tidied up and everything. So I hope you guys are doing well. Oh, look at my cute towel. Isn't that so cute? My mom got that for me. But I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're staying healthy. As always, live life in full bloom, and I'll see you later. Bye.